Hi, Dada. I sure hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. Please let me know if I'm not. So I'm Win with Digital Energy, and I want to shoot this quick video for you to show you some things that I see about your competitor and where you could be in the next few months and educate you on search engine optimization. So let me go ahead and introduce myself. I've worked in the restaurant business for about 22 years. It was one of my favorite things I've ever done. Unfortunately, it was not very conducive to family life. So then I branched down to insurance sales, which was a very interesting business to me. However, insurance companies are really just too interested in making money and selling policies to people that they don't need instead of actually helping them. So that wasn't a good fit for me. So that led me to multi-level marketing. Looked into property management. I looked into investing. I even sold Kirby's for like a week. One of the things I knew was I did not want Walmart to take over the world, and so that led me to helping small businesses with digital marketing. I love digital marketing. I knew almost instantly it was what I wanted to do. I get to research, which funnily enough, I really love. I get to be creative, and I also get to help people, which is the core of what I really am. So let's go ahead and talk about one of your main competitors. This is Exclusive One Beauty. I could really see you having a website very similar to hers, because she does have the products, and then she also has a hair appointment page. Now, one thing that I know that she could be doing better, is that she could have more content on here, because to Google, content is king. It shows you're more authoritative than your competitors when you have a good amount of command content. Um, and so let's go ahead and go look at her numbers. So this is Ahrefs. It is a pretty pricey program that I use, but it tells me a lot about websites. So the first thing we're going to talk about is UR and DR. These are very, very important numbers, because the UR represents your trust with Google, and then the DR represents your power with Google. Now, in my business, we really like to see these numbers close together. That's what we call the golden ratio. And the way that you get these numbers is through backlinks. Now, all a backlink is where there's a link to your site on someone else's site that points from them to you and transfers power from them to you. Now, they do that with do follow links. And as you can see, they have 179 backlinks from 55 different websites. So if these were good do follow backlinks, these numbers would be much higher and much closer together. So that tells me that we can easily beat her out in a pretty short amount of time. So let's go ahead and go look at something else. So within the content that I was telling you about, you really want to have location specific keywords that people are actually searching for. That's going to be a good example is going to be black hair salons in Fort Pierce, Florida. Now, only about 30 people a month are searching for that, but it's going to be very easy for us to rank for it because this is the keyword difficulty, and that's a 0. So that means that not a lot of people are using this search term. And so I would be going through and finding all the very best search terms to put into your content, which is very important because that is how Google connects to people who are actually searching for the services that you offer and puts them to your website. So the last thing that we're going to talk about is going to be citations. And all a citation is your name, address, and phone number across different directories and social media accounts across the web. And that's really going to help you with the Google My Business, which is the map pack that you see whenever you search for something, a service online. And that is very important because about 30 to 50% of people do use the Google Map Pack to find services, and then they also use the organic Google listing, which is the first page of Google that you see when you search for services. So Dada, I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. Let's just go ahead and go look over some of the things we talked about. So you really want to have 1,500 to 3,000 words of content, although I think that you could get away with more like 1,200 words of content on both of the main pages, your products page and then also your hair page. And then you want to also have strategically placed location-specific keywords that people are actually searching for. You want to have backlinks from trusted websites pointing to your website. And then you also want to have citations, which shows your name, address, and phone number in different directories and social media accounts. So I'm Wynn with Digital Energy, and I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. I can't wait to get some feedback from you, and hopefully we can partner up and I can make this happen for you also. I hope that you have a great day, Dada. I look forward to talking with you. Bye-bye.